So good evening, YouTube followers. It is the 26th. We had nobody here today. Bruce was off and the workers took the day because it was a rainy day. I'm looking at our plants here. We're propagating our own plants. These have come up since we started growing them. I have in this bucket, I have one of 11 elephant ears. I'm going to walk around over here. We have some grass growing through our straw here. I brought some more straw and I got some more grass seeds. We're going to cut the pallet up tomorrow. Here's some more of the elephant ears. I wanted to go up here and turn the lights on here and see how they look. I don't know if these still work or not. Okay, so we'll get a little more done on this tomorrow. Maybe we'll get it wrapped up. I think. I want to try. Cut for the front and the roof. Maybe get it screwed down. Got some panels to cut here in the front. Another post. We have the hay to spread. And we're going to bring some more material around from the other side. Teana is waiting up on the hill for us. We called off the concrete for Thursday because of the rain, and we were concerned that we weren't going to be able to get it dry enough around here, and I don't want to pour the concrete on wet foundation dirt. I want it packed, solid, nice and dry. What's the verdict? Still wet? As wet as it was. Is it drying? Yeah, it's drying because this was really soft earlier today. Yeah, I know. Maybe we'll have to get up here with a shovel. Yeah, I need to open this up here. See, he didn't put any here. No, the place for the water to drain out.
Yeah,
You don't put a pudding here either. That's true. Yeah. But this is blowing rain. There wouldn't have been anything, without the plastic on it, would have been worse. This is blowing rain here. But